What's going on, guys? So I am on my way to South Jersey to go pick up a stand-up jet ski and decided that I'm gonna shoot a vlog. Shout out to the homie Zach for not coming on this trip. You're a dick. I think we're gonna race this F-150. I don't know what these kids are on, but I think they're really trying to race. So I dropped it down a gear and let's see what happens. So we literally just picked up the jet ski. It does turn over, but it needs some work. Carbs, adjustment, cables hooked back up, and all that shit. Barely fit in here. I'm kind of surprised. I'm kind of pissed because that might be bad for a Jeep. But yeah, it's not too bad. It needs a power wash. There's a Kawasaki, even though it says Honda. Yeah, we'll have to check it out.
Really nice things. We need some really big rings. I got a really big team. Really nice things. Better.
$100, $120, that's nothing. The day of work, if that. Alright, I don't know how, but somehow we passed E-Town in Lichtown, New Jersey. Stopped on some random route. So that's 201, not too bad. So yeah. Recap when we get to the gym. You're in the vlog. Alright guys, so we just got done washing it. I got it all the way over here on this table.